Welcome to Sapphire Windows production facility here at 2 Loyang Drive. Let us take you through a tour of the way we make our windows. We have our fully automated cutting machine and milling machine. Profiles are loaded onto the machine and are automatically picked up and sent to the cutting saw. We have all the different dimensions of all the different windows in your house, and this saw automatically picks up the right dimensions and cuts it to the appropriate length. We have the next station where steel is added as a reinforcement in our UPVC profiles. This is to give added strength to the windows so that they are able to be done much larger and much more rigidly. After the CNC is done, all the profiles are now going to be loaded onto the next trolley, where 4 profiles are ready in each slot. They are now ready to be welded together at high heat to create a perfect seal for your windows and doors, such that no sound and heat are able to penetrate. The oversized windows and doors are ejected down a different part of the line where they can be transported off this table and to a storage facility. They'll be ready for transportation to your job site. Let's go! At this station, we have the hardware assembly where all the lock sets, handles, rollers are put into the window to create maximum security, efficiency for sound and heat insulation. The completed windows and doors now have to have glass placed in them. So any glass that you choose for your house will be inserted over here at this station, and after that transferred over down the line such that they are fully protected before entering your home. The frames are fully protected 360 degrees, not just on the glass portion, but also right up to the edges of the frames. This ensures that during the construction process, if any plaster, cement, paint, or even dust falls onto the windows and doors, they'll be in a good position and they can withstand all that kind of debris so that your windows can be delivered to you in a perfect condition. What did you think about our factory tour here at Sapphire Windows? If you like our bespoke, high performance and customized windows, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you and bye-bye.